Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today we will be reviewing the N8N versus the LangFlow. So let's start with the N8N. So N8N is a powerful open source workflow automation tool. Think of it like Zapier but with more flexibility and no vendor lock-in. You can connect APIs, databases, and services with minimal code, making it ideal for automating repetitive tasks and back-end processes. Let's talk about the LangFlow. So LangFlow is designed specifically for building and visualizing LLM, which is the large language model workflows. It is like drag and drop interface for LangChain, perfect for prototyping AI agents, chatbots, or tools that needs structured AI logic. The bottom line for these two is that you should choose N8N for general automation and integration, and choose LangFlow for designing custom AI workflows with LLMs.